This is Mike from Minimal 3DP, and this is a video I've been meaning to make for a while regarding various 3D printing resources and objects and models that can be found from NASA. Just this week I saw somebody on Reddit posted a small subset of models available from NASA that's on this website, nasa3d.arc.nasa.gov, and I'll post this in the description. And there's 122 models available. This is part of a small subset of a variety of resources that can be found on NASA's main 3D resources page. Now, I personally wasn't that familiar with the websites. What I've been using for a while and looking through is NASA's GitHub repository of 3D objects. And to be honest, there are hundreds of models available, and it's actually pretty cool. They have both models. Some of these models are files you can edit and manipulate. It looks like there's stuff in Blender format. Also, I think in Fusion 360 as well, are just some of the ones I saw, and then OBJ files and STLs. So in the 3D printing section, they have, like I said, so many different models to choose from, and a lot of these are just plain cool. Here's a 3D model of the asteroid Vesta. And so they have the whole of the asteroid, but then if I look, I can also print each of the globes of the asteroid and then I guess glue them together. So that's pretty neat. Some of the other things they have are some terrain features. So they have a bunch of terrain features from both Mars and the Moon, and I've always been fascinated with Mars. And so here's a terrain I'm going to get to print out from Valles Marineris, and sorry for my pronunciation, on Mars. So again, this is really pretty awesome. And then one of my favorites is they have a small model, and they also have a large model, both detailed and simplified, of the Curiosity rover. So I went ahead and looked at the simplified Curiosity rover, and they have the individual STL files, but they also have the combined STL, so I can basically download and just print this. What's also very helpful is this comes with instructions, so I literally can follow the instructions to put the print together. The model comes with support built in, and as you can see here in the instructions, it even tells me what parts need to be torn apart. For this little model, it took about almost 7.5 hours to print, and here's an example. Here's the time lapse of the print. And after I finished printing, this took about 15-20 minutes for me to put together, and I had to use a little dab of glue on the one side's wheels and on this camera mount. But here's the actual Curiosity rover. As you can see, it's pretty awesome. And so I was able to print this out, and I'm probably going to spend some time looking through the other models NASA has and see what else I can do. If you're interested in these types of models, I have a playlist that I call Cool Prints. You can take a look through, and hopefully you found this interesting. This is Mike from Minimal 3DP. I want to thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please post it in the comments. If you're enjoying my content, please give me a like and feel free to subscribe. Again, thank you for your time. Have a good day.